Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The news which everyone knows is that Pakistan military on February 11, 2021 successfully test fired a 450 km range Babar ballistic missile. And in this video, I would be providing all vital details about this particular test and also the details about the missile in a bulleted form. So without wasting much time, let us begin the bulleted list. Babar is a medium-range turbojet-powered subsonic cruise missile that can be launched from land or underwater seaborne platforms. This missile is in service with both Pakistan Army and Pakistan Navy, and it was first tested in 2005. This missile is manufactured by the National Defence Complex, which is a Pakistani state-owned defence and aerospace contractor. This Babar missile has been named after the first Mughal emperor Zahir Babar, and it is the first land attack cruise missile to be developed by Pakistan. As mentioned before, this Babar missile has a range of 450 km and it can be launched from ground-based transporter erector launchers, warships and submarines. These missiles are said to be capable of engaging targets at land and sea with high precision. If you see the general characteristics, this missile has a length of 6.2 meters, a diameter of 0.52 meters, and a maximum speed of Mach 0.8. The Babar missile's airframe is made up of a tubular fuselage with a pair of folded wings attached to the middle section and the tail at the rear along with the propulsion system. This missile is said to have high degree of maneuverability with terrain-hugging ability, which helps the missile to avoid enemy radar detection by utilizing the terrain masking. This gives the Babar missile the capability to penetrate enemy air defense systems undetected. This missile guidance system uses a combination of inertial navigation systems and is also equipped with the terrain contour matching, the GPS satellite guidance, and all-time digital scene matching and area correlation technologies. These technologies enable these missiles to engage any target with pinpoint accuracy even in the absence of GPS navigation. Seeing all the powerful characteristics, will this missile pass through the S-400 missile system which India is procuring from Russia? I believe there has not been much test with this combination, and with the type of information which we saw until now, I believe it might be able to go undetected. But with the latest software upgrades which happened in S-400, this might be detected as well. So as I mentioned before, nothing is confirmed for now until someone really tests this combination and confirms. These missiles use turbofan solid fuel rocket booster during the launch time and solid fuel for booster rocket and liquid fuel for the jet engine. As per many different sources, it is said that these Babar cruise missiles are based on Tomahawk land attack missiles which were designed and initially produced in 1970s by General Dynamics. Nowadays, these missiles are manufactured by Raytheon. It looks like Pakistan has taken this design and concept when few Tomahawk missiles crash-landed on Pakistani territory in 2001 during the United States airstrikes on Afghanistan. So that was a quick and a small video to provide more vital information about the Babar cruise missile which was test fired during February 11, 2021 by Pakistan Army. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.